Hi everyone, welcome back to Beauty Beyond 40. Today's video is going to take a deeper dive into how to pick the best microcurrent device for you. And because I'm 50, I'm going to focus on mature skin. So if you're watching with mature skin, then this is the video for you. There are so many microcurrent devices on the market, so it can be very confusing to figure out which is the best one. I've done a lot of testing and figured out what's the best for mature skin. A microcurrent device is a must in any beauty device routine, and especially in a mature skin beauty device routine. But before we get started, if you're new here, hi, my name's Trina. I make videos mostly about beauty devices, so if you're interested in that topic, I would love it if you'd subscribe to my channel. I'm also on Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram. I will leave links to all of this in the description below. Throughout today's video, if at any time you want to shop, you can head down to the description below where I'll have links and promo codes to help you save at checkout. I've also set up chapters in this video, so if there is a specific section that is of most interest to you, you can skip around. So if you've been watching my channel over the years, you know that I love microcurrent. Microcurrent was my first beauty device love, and there is nothing like the microcurrent glow. Microcurrent offers a low-level electrical current that mimics your body's natural current. So when you use one on your face and your neck, it's boosting ATP, which is cellular energy, and it's just making your skin look so healthy and glowing. It improves circulation, lifting, tightening, and toning your facial muscles. It's smoothing out your skin, and the results are immediate and cumulative, and the more you use a microcurrent device, the better the results get. And I am proof that lasting results are possible because I'm 50 and I've never had any injectables or any work done. And if you've been watching my videos lately, you know it is no surprise that my top pick in the handheld microcurrent device category for mature skin is the ZIIP HALO device. I'm going to talk you through why this is my favorite, including many of the features that you might not know about this device. I will talk you through some of the other popular microcurrent devices available on the market today and why I don't think those are a top pick for mature skin. So why is the ZIIP HALO my favorite handheld device and what makes it better than all the rest? This device includes microcurrent and nanocurrent, and that is very important for mature skin. What microcurrent is doing is it's stimulating the muscles to lift, tighten, and tone your muscles. But as we age, there are certain muscles that I don't think we should be tightening anymore. For example, if we tighten the depressor muscles and the neck muscles, it's going to pull down the corners of our mouth and start to pull down our faces. Also, I don't like to tighten my 11s or my forehead lines or my crow's feet because I don't want to make it look worse. I want to make this whole area look smoother as opposed to tighter. So the muscles that I do want to lift, tighten, and tone are my cheeks and my jawline, and I want to lift this up away from the corners of my mouth to give my face a lifted look. So I can do that with the microcurrent in this device. And then the nanocurrent that targets the skin is going to help to smooth out fine lines and wrinkles all over your face. It's going to help smooth out your neck, smooth out under your chin, this whole area here, and smooth out your 11s, your forehead lines, and your crow's feet. I think it's very important to understand that as we age, having a microcurrent device that just has one mode that tightens the muscle is not going to be enough. We need more targeted treatments. We need to be able to smooth out the areas that we want and lift the areas that we want. And you can do that with this device. And it is a little bit more complicated, but aging is very complex. And once you understand how microcurrent and nanocurrent can work together to give you the best results, you'll see how the ZIIP HALO is the best handheld device on the market. So as I explained in the beginning of the video, microcurrent is boosting ATP, which is cellular energy, but it's also stimulating collagen and elastin production in the dermis. And that does take a while to come to the surface of your skin. And that's why results from microcurrent are immediate and cumulative. The more you use it, the better the results will be. So it is very important to stay consistent. And the best device for you is the one you're actually going to use. And I find myself reaching for the ZIIP HALO all the time because it's such an easy device to use. It's very lightweight, it's easy to hold, and the app that you use that pairs to your phone is such a good app. The technology is flawless, the whole experience is seamless, and I've always loved the ZIIP app. The routines that Melanie put together in the app are so easy to follow, and many of them are very short. I think the longest one is the founder's favorite, that's 10 minutes. All the other ones are 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, for example, so it doesn't take too much time to use your ZIIP and see some really great results as long as you're consistent with it. But I find myself grabbing this device more often than any other microcurrent device in my collection because I can do a targeted treatment and I really love the results that I see. If you don't want to use an app, the HALO comes preloaded loaded with the lift routine, which is a microcurrent routine to lift, tighten, and tone the muscles. And that's a 4-minute treatment. And you can absolutely use that out of the box and not use the app at all. But if you have mature skin, I think it is essential to download the app so that you can unlock all the rest of the routines in the app. All of the tutorials in the app were created by Melanie Simon. She's the founder of ZIIP, and she's also an esthetician. So you get to watch a professional who knows what she's doing, who created all the routines, show you exactly how to use the app. And it's so easy to follow along. And once you get the hang of it, you don't have to follow along as closely, but it's just so good to learn the routines and get up and running. Every time I use the ZIIP, I start with the founder's favorite routine no matter what, because it's focusing on fine lines and wrinkles, focusing on the skin. It's a 10-minute treatment and it's nanocurrent, and it's the only device I have that has nanocurrent. So I always start with nanocurrent, but then after that, I can move on to use the lift treatment that's 4 minutes. I can use the jowls treatment that just focuses on lifting and tightening the jowls area. There's an eyes treatment. There's a lips treatment. There's a treatment called electric tone that focuses on pigment. There's a treatment called problem solver that focuses on acne flare-ups that you might have. In fact, the ZIIP HALO comes with 14 different treatments. This device does it all. It focuses on anti-aging, anti-acne. It can address pigment, tone, texture. It really does it all. And you can access all of the routines to treat all of those specific skin concerns directly through the app. So it really is a must to use the app. And if it gets a little complicated for you, you can use these custom treatment plans that Melanie has set up, and then the app will remind you when it's time to do the next treatment. So that's really great, but I generally set up my own routine depending on how my face looks that day. And you can use Founder's Favorite every single day. I have a pretty elaborate beauty device routine, and I'm using a lot of different modalities. If you're not, and you're just getting started with microcurrent or beauty devices, you can absolutely do the Founder's Favorite treatment every single day, because nanocurrent is gentle, it's just targeting the skin, and it will help you be on your way to smooth, glowing, youthful looking skin. And microcurrent is the modality that I like to give my skin a day to rest. So I'll only do microcurrent at most every other day, because I want to give my muscles some time to rest. Just like when you go to the gym, you do an intense workout, then you give your body a day to rest, and then you can go to the gym the next day. That's how I treat microcurrent. I do it every other day. And if you wanted to use it every day and focus on different parts of your face, like you wanted to do the eyes treatment one day and the lips treatment the next day, along with the Founder's Favorite treatment, you can absolutely do that. And that's why I really love this device, because you can customize the routines you want to do based on the skin concerns that you're after. And all of us are so different. My top areas of concern are improving my jowls area, smoothing out my 11s, forehead lines, and crow's feet, and my hooded eyes. I'm always trying to lift and tighten my hooded eyes, and it's working pretty well. I'm really happy with my results, and I'm in more of a maintenance mode right now, where I'm using my devices like the ZIIP HALO to maintain my results. And so you can use the device more frequently when you first get it, and then move into maintenance mode after you're really happy with the results that you see. So you can adjust your schedule like mine if you really like the results you're seeing. The device is so easy to travel with. I use this little carrying case that keeps my device safe whenever I'm on the go. You can purchase this on the website. And I do recommend that you keep the charging port plugged up with this little plug that comes with the device, just to make sure no gel gets into the inside of the device. And it's also very important to only use the charging cable that comes with the ZIIP HALO to make sure your device keeps working properly. And what I did, I created a little label on my cord, so I always know that this is my ZIIP HALO cord. So I recommend you do the same, just to make sure that your device keeps working properly for you. Another reason I really love the ZIIP HALO device is that her conductive gels are not just plain conductive gels. They offer a luxurious skincare addition to your ZIIP routine. And that's something that we need with mature skin. You can use the electric complex gel, that's the plain gel that comes with the device. However, I like to use the crystal gel because this has glutathione in it, and it really helps with my pigment. So I think of this as a treatment mask, and I put a layer all over my face and my neck, And I'm using my device for at least 10 minutes because I'm doing that 10 minutes of nanocurrent with the founder's favorite routine. So I'm pushing that glutathione deeper into my skin and getting better results. And then I'm leaving on the gel when I'm doing the rest of the treatments. So I'm just getting much better results than if I was just using a plain conductive gel that's only helping to conduct the current into my muscles and my skin. There's also silver gel that's good for hydration. There's golden gel that's good for a collagen boost. And I love that they just launched this new discovery kit. So if you wanted to try out the different gels to see how they work with your skin and how you like them, you can buy this now and figure out which full size one you want to get. So now I want to talk about a couple of popular microcurrent devices on the market that you might be considering buying and why I don't think they're the right pick for mature skin. The first pick is the NuFACE device, and this is the NuFACE Trinity Plus. And this is an excellent device, I think, for younger skin, say 20s or 30s. This is a microcurrent only device, which means it's going to target the muscles and lift, tighten, and tone the muscles. This device offers different intensities of microcurrent, but no nanocurrent. And as I mentioned earlier, I don't want to tighten my depressor muscles. I don't want to tighten my neck muscles. I don't want to tighten my 11s or my forehead or my crow's feet. I do, however, want to tighten my jawline and my cheeks, which I can absolutely do with this device. And I can use it also to tighten up my hooded eyes, which is a top concern of mine. However, I want a microcurrent device that I want to use all over my entire face and my neck. And I just wouldn't do that anymore with this device. I would in the past when I was younger, but now that I'm older and my needs have changed and I need to really target the muscles and skin differently, I'm just not using this. If you want one handheld microcurrent device that can do everything you need for mature skin, the ZIIP HALO is your pick. The next device I'm going to talk about is the Medicube Booster Pro because this device is wildly popular all over social media. I get asked about it all the time. I don't have this device. I've tested devices by Medicube in the past and I'm not a big fan. This device in particular includes EMS and I do not use EMS on my face at all. EMS stands for electrical muscle stimulation, and it often causes muscle twitching, which will deplete ATP, which is cellular energy, whereas microcurrent is boosting ATP. So I want to stay away from EMS and instead use microcurrent, but I only want to use microcurrent on the right areas of my face where I want to lift, tighten, and tone the muscles, and then use nanocurrent on all the rest of my face, which is still stimulating ATP. It is not depleting ATP. So again, another example of choosing the right devices with the right modalities so you get the best results for your mature skin. And I think that EMS is a great modality to use on your body because our bodies are very different from our faces and our necks, and I stick to microcurrent only on my face and my neck. There are many people that like to use EMS on their face and they like to twitch their muscles. I just like to take a more gentle approach, and I'm in this for the long haul. I'm 50. I've never done any injectables. I've had no work. I do everything at home and it's working really well for me. And I don't want to risk using a device that's really strong and is going to twitch my muscles. That doesn't align with my conservative, gentle beauty device routine that I do at home. And I know there's a lot of controversy around the topic. A lot of people swear by EMS, and I see a lot of young people using EMS around their eye area, for example, and they're twitching their eye area, and it just makes me cringe because the eye area is so delicate and I don't want to use anything that's strong around my eye. Certainly not EMS. While the Booster Pro does have a microcurrent mode, which is great, again, the microcurrent that it offers only tightens the muscle. And as we talked about earlier, I don't want to tighten all of the muscles on my face and my neck. I only want to tighten the sides of my face here and my hooded eyes. I only want to use microcurrent to lift up the sides of my face. I want to smooth and relax the rest of my face here. So I don't have that targeted control with the Booster Pro. So why get a device if you can't use it all over your face? I just don't think the Booster Pro compares to the ZIIP HALO for mature skin. Another reason the Booster Pro is super popular is that it has an electroporation mode. Electroporation is a mode that pushes your skincare ingredients deeper into your skin, and the results are actually quite incredible. You see a lot of people posting results from electroporation on social media all the time, and I am a big fan of electroporation. However, I just don't think you need a device that comes with EMS and microcurrent that you're not going to use. So what I recommend instead is the new Lumeo electroporation device from Ledora. I'll show you this device here. It does have red light therapy and a very low intensity microcurrent, and you can switch between the different modes depending on how you want to treat your skin that day. But I'm most interested in the electroporation feature of this device, and I really like the price point of this device. And what I like to do is use this device in tandem with my ZIIP HALO device. I will put on my crystal gel to use my ZIIP HALO device, and then I will leave this on my skin, and I will put on the Ladora serum on top of that, which is the serum you use to glide the Lumeo across your face. This serum has peptides and hyaluronic acid and niacinamide, which are additional ingredients that I do want to push deeper into my skin. So I can have both of these on my skin and then use the Lumeo for 3 minutes. Because I'll just have the electroporation mode on with red light, I can move that across my entire face and my neck to push those skincare ingredients deeper into my skin, and electroporation does it better than any device that I've tried. So I just think this is such a perfect combination, and if you are looking at that Booster Pro device because you want that electroporation, I recommend just getting the ZIIP HALO for everything this device offers for mature skin, and then adding in the Lumeo for electroporation. And the benefit of red light, if you don't have a red light therapy device already, it could be good to get started with that modality with this device. But I use a red light therapy mask on my face and my chin and my neck and my chest separately to do red light therapy, but there's no harm in having the red light in this device. For mature skin, I just think this is such a better solution. It's a better combo than getting the Medicube Booster Pro, because then you're in control of the muscles that you're tightening and the skin that you're smoothing, and getting a microcurrent device you can use on your entire face and neck, and getting a device that doesn't have extra features that you don't need or that I don't recommend for any skin, especially not mature skin. So that's all I have for you today. If you have any questions about the ZIIP HALO device or about anything I covered today, please drop them in the comments below. If you want to shop the ZIIP HALO device or the Discovery Gels set, you can head down to the link in the description below, where I'll have my promo code to help you save at checkout. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a like, leave a comment, share with a friend, and make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my videos, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.